So Jay, different competition on Friday. How are we feeling about it?
Yeah, looking forward to going into a cup competition. We had a good win on penalties against Guilsfield here in the first round of the cup. Whatever competition we play in, whether it's the league or the cup, we want to go as far as possible. I think it's an important game for us after a disappointing day Saturday. I'm also disappointed with the result as opposed to disappointed with the performance. I think it'd be good, another good test for us. Buckley started really well in the league. Just looking forward to getting back out there and playing.
You're saying Buckley started really well. We're both neck and neck in the league as it going into 3 games in it. I think it could be quite a close game on Saturday.
Yeah, definitely. I went to watch Buckley against Bangor in their first league game. They're a good outfit. I think their manager there has got them well organised, well drilled, fit young side. So it'll be a good test for us. We're right up for it. I think training site was really bright. There's been a good reaction from the lads after the defeat Saturday. So yeah, we're looking to get going again.
Yeah. And saying about getting back going from Saturday, do you think a winning mentality is just going to be still in the squad, or is it just going to be a bounce back and get going again?
Yeah, 100%. I think winning mentality. Yeah, you look at results in games, but there's a winning mentality in training. Lads want to win, whether it's in the running, the small-sided games, the possessions. There's a winning mentality in this team. There's a lot of players in this team that have been successful at other clubs and at this club in this league. And I think that now we're building a squad that has a lot of experience of winning games of football. And I think that's really going to be important, not just going into this game, but over the course of the season.
And just looking about the experience, so Elliot Orton's forced his way into the first team. He's doing really well. He's played all the games so far. How do you think he's doing so far?
Oh yeah, he's been excellent. Yeah, it's not just Elliot, all the young lads. It's class for me as a coach who's seen these kids come through. Chappers as well. Lee Starkey's our head of coaching. It's great for us to see these young lads coming in, stepping up and doing well. And I say it all the time. We've got a gaffer here who will give the young lads a chance. If they play well, they stay in the team. Elliot, Owen Payne, George Pears, Ollie, Barney's been excellent for us in goal as well. So it's great for us. That's what we do it for.